addressing challenges and restoring antique jewelry without compromising authenticity. 4.2. Costume jewelry, materials and care, understanding materials, distinguishing between different materials used in costume jewelry, care techniques, tailoring care practices for costume jewelry to prevent damage. Section 5. Tips for travel and special occasions. 5.1. Travel precautions, packing guidelines, travel cases, selecting appropriate cases for jewelry during travel, safety measures, precautions to protect jewelry from loss or damage while traveling. 5.2. Occasional wear, event-specific care, occasional cleaning, preparing jewelry for special occasions without causing damage. Post-event care, steps to take after wearing jewelry for events or parties. Conclusion: jewelry care and maintenance require a delicate balance of knowledge, attention, and care. By understanding the intricacies of different materials, employing proper cleaning methods, adopting suitable storage practices, and prioritizing regular maintenance, you can ensure your jewelry remains a timeless treasure. Whether it's a family heirloom passed down through generations or a contemporary piece, nurturing and preserving its beauty will prolong its splendor for years to come. This detailed guide covers a wide range of aspects concerning jewelry care and maintenance, from understanding materials to specialized care techniques, ensuring that your prized possessions remain radiant and enduring. The ultimate guide to jewelry care and maintenance, jewelry, beyond its aesthetic allure, often holds sentimental and monetary value. Whether it's a family heirloom, an engagement ring, or a fashionable accessory, proper care and maintenance are vital to preserving its beauty and longevity. This comprehensive guide delves into the nuances of jewelry care, offering insights into cleaning techniques, storage practices, and maintenance tips to ensure your treasured pieces remain dazzling for generations to come. Section 1. Understanding jewelry materials. 1.1. Precious metals, gold, care tips, understanding gold purity, cleaning methods, and precautions to prevent tarnishing. Maintenance, professional cleaning and periodic inspections for wear and tear. Silver, tarnish prevention, techniques to prevent silver from tarnishing and restoring its shine. Cleaning methods, polishing silver jewelry using household items or commercial cleaners. Platinum, durability and maintenance, exploring platinum's durability and methods for maintaining its luster. 1.2. Gemstones, diamonds, cleaning techniques, safely cleaning diamond jewelry at home without causing damage. Protective measures, safeguarding diamond settings and prongs from damage. Pearls, gentle care, specialized care methods for delicate pearls to prevent damage and maintain luster. Storage, proper storage techniques to prevent scratches and preserve their natural beauty. Other gemstones, specific care, tailoring care practices for gemstones like emeralds, rubies, and sapphires. Section 2. Cleaning methods and techniques. 2.1. General cleaning guidelines, home remedies, DIY solutions, using household items for cleaning various types of jewelry. Precautions, avoiding harsh chemicals and abrasive materials that could damage jewelry. Commercial cleaners, evaluation of products, reviewing different commercial cleaners and their suitability for different jewelry types. 2.2. Cleaning tools, soft brushes and cloths, selection, choosing the right brushes and cloths for different jewelry materials. Techniques, proper usage of brushes and cloths for effective cleaning. Ultrasonic cleaners, functionality, understanding how ultrasonic cleaners work and their benefits for jewelry cleaning. Safety precautions, ensuring the safe usage of ultrasonic cleaners without causing damage. Section 3. Storage and maintenance practices. 3.1. Storage solutions, jewelry boxes and organizers, materials, evaluating different materials for jewelry boxes and organizers. Preventing tarnishing, techniques to prevent tarnishing while stored. Separation and organization. Preventing damage, importance of separating jewelry pieces to prevent scratches and tangling. Organization tips, techniques for efficient and organized jewelry storage. 3.2. Maintenance routines, regular inspections, spotting issues, recognizing signs of wear and tear in jewelry. Professional inspections, importance of periodic professional inspections for maintenance. Repairs and restoration,